On this video we are going to be reproducing the style of LIL GHOST. To prepare the hair to cut this style, I'm going to create a horseshoe shaped section. I'm using my comb as a reference to figure out where I want to start that section. Always use a clip to keep the hair out of the area that you're going to be working on. To cut all the hair on the undercut area, I'm going to be using the comb with the number 3. This is a great way for you to start using your clippers on your clients and feel confident. To clean up around the perimeter, I'm going to be using the cocoa trimmers to get a super sharp edge. As you can see in one pass, these trimmers do the job. Cocoa trimmers use a technology called digital gap, which allows you to cut very sharp edges and very clean lines. Here you can see how well they work creating the style of LIL GHOST. Here you see me using it on the nape area as well. I even like to use a lever for clipper over comb on the nape area. To cut the top area, my client doesn't need a lot of work, so I'm going to first blow dry the hair and see how much I need to cut when it's dry. My client has a little bit of wavy hair, so I'm going to be using the brush to smooth the hair out. When I finish doing the round brush, I'm going to be using my flat brush to comb all the hair on all directions to make the hair super smooth. This style is going to be an undercut, short underneath and long on the top. If you have to shape the hair on the top after you blow dry, you can cut a straight line just above the ear and just around behind, so basically straight and round lower. On this case, my client didn't need to do that because he was already cut this shape. To blend the style, I'm going to be using my texturizing shear with the wider teeth. As you can tell, my client has a lot of hair, so what I'm doing is I'm going deeper, kind of on the middle of the hair, and start texturizing from that point out. Check here how I'm using my comb to style the hair and give it some shape. This is a great technique if you want to give a volume and create a little curve. This is a technique I learned on the 80s and I've been using since then. I don't suggest that you use a lot of product to hold this hair. I would suggest that you use a little bit of hairspray to give it a little bit of shape and flexibility so people can use their fingers through. And here you have the 360 view or LIL GHOST hairstyle. This style is going to look great on almost any face type. I will avoid if you have a heart shape or a triangle face. This is Angel del Solar, the hairbender.